Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to answer the burning question, can you connect a new Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 to your iPhone? So let's get straight to the point. Unfortunately, the answer is no. You cannot properly connect or pair a Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 with an iPhone. The specific app required to manage the device, the Galaxy Wearable app, is simply not available on the iOS App Store. While Samsung does have an older app for iPhone, it only supports legacy devices like the Watch 3, and it does not support the Fit 3. So what happens if you try to use it with the phone? The Fit 3 can technically function as a standalone device. It'll still track your steps, monitor your heart rate, and tell the time. However, you will have zero connectivity. You cannot sync your main health data to your phone. You won't get notifications, and you can't update watch settings. So if you really want to use the Galaxy Fit 3, the only solution is to use an Android device. To take full advantage of the features, you need the Android ecosystem. Otherwise, for iPhone users, you are better off looking into an Apple Watch or a different brand of tracker. And that's the reality of the situation. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.